Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Outlook freezing. First, try restarting Outlook and your entire computer. This often resolves minor software conflicts. Next, ensure all your Microsoft Office and Windows updates are installed, as outdated software can cause instability. Finally, launch Outlook in safe mode by holding the Control key while opening it. This helps determine if an add-in is causing the freezing, allowing you to disable it. If quick fixes don't work, consider repairing your Outlook data files, such as PSD or OSD files, using the Inbox Repair tool. This can fix corruption that causes freezing. Also, navigate to Outlook's options and disable any add-ins you don't actively use. Too many can slow things down. As a more advanced step, creating a completely new Outlook profile can often resolve deep-seated configuration problems. Your system's health impacts Outlook. Make sure you have ample free disk space, ideally at least 500 megabytes, for smooth operation. If freezing persists, try disabling hardware graphics acceleration within Outlook's advanced options. Sometimes this feature conflicts with certain display drivers. Additionally, running a system file checker scan can identify and repair corrupted Windows system files that might be affecting Outlook. As a final measure, if all else fails, a clean reinstallation of Microsoft Office might be necessary. Before doing so, always back up your important Outlook data files to prevent any loss. If the problem continues even after reinstallation, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft support. They can provide personalized, in-depth assistance to diagnose and resolve complex freezing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.